Welcome you all. Myself Nagarajan, Assistant Professor in EC Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this course, let me see about the embedded system and IOMT for biomedical engineering. The topic is here state diagrams. Let us see the definition of a state diagram. So, state diagram represent the different states of a system or component and the transition between these states based on events or condition. What are the components present in the state diagram? In it we have a three component. One is a states, transition, event. So state means it represents the different modes or condition of the system. Transition means it is arrow showing the movement from one state to another based on event or condition. Events mean it is a trigger that causes transition between states. Next, uses of a state diagram. So modeling behavior, it is useful for visualizing and analyzing the behavior of system with multiple state. Then designing state machine help in designing complex systems that exhibit different behavior based on internal and external condition. Let us see the example of a state diagram. So a vending machine state diagram illustrating states like ideal, waiting for selection, processing payment, and dispensing product. Now let us see the sequence diagram. So sequence diagram means it is a model that interaction between object and components over time showing the sequence of message exchange. What are the components present in the sequence diagram means objects, it represents entities involved in the interaction. And next messages means it is arrow showing communication between objects including method, calls and responses. And next lifelines. So vertical dashes lines represent the lifespan of object during the interaction. Let us see the uses of a sequence diagram. Visualizing interaction. It helps in the understanding, documenting how different components interact in a time order manner. Next, designing communication protocol. So it is useful for designing and verifying communication between system components. Now let us see the example of a sequence diagram. A sequence diagram for a login process is showing interaction between a user, login key and authentication server. Now let us see the flowchart. So flowchart means flowcharts are diagrams that represent algorithms or process using various symbols to denote steps, decision and flows. What are the components present in the flowchart mean? It is a process steps, decisions and flow lines. Process steps mean it is a rectangle representing individual steps or action. Decision means diamonds representing decision points with multiple branches. Flow lines means it is arrow indicating the direction of flow from one step to another. Next, let us see the uses of a flowchart. So, algorithm design. So useful for designing visualization algorithm process in a clear, structured format and also a documentation. Provides a straightforward way to document procedure and workflow for implementation and review. Next, let's see the example of a flowchart. Flowchart displaying the steps of a sorting algorithm including comparison and swaps. I hope that all of you understood about the design procedure of a sequence diagram, state diagram and then flows chart. Thank you.